batchoy version I grew up eating in Bataan. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe. Sa isang pan or wok, mag-init ng cooking oil. Add ginger. Cook for a few seconds, then set aside in the pan. Add 4 to 5 cloves chopped garlic. Lutuin hanggang sa lumabas ang aroma nito. Then continue sauteing with the ginger. Add chopped onion. Continue cooking until onion is soft or translucent. Add 1 kilo or 2 pounds pork. You can use butt or shoulder part. Cook for about 10 minutes or until the pork becomes tender. You can add salt or fish sauce to taste. I added about 1 to 2 tablespoons fish sauce. Add 2 cups water. Cover and bring to a boil. Then add 1 piece pork cube. And most important, 10 ounces or 1 1/4 cups pork blood. Stir, cover and let boil. Stir occasionally while simmering. Add sliced celery and simmer for another 5 minutes. You can also add Misua at this point if you like. Now, our batchoy is ready. Best served with white steamed rice. More recipes at PinoyCookingRecipes.com.